Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa from Nomad Fleet, and today I'm going to show you how you can mass import the last service information of your fleet. With this method, you can also update the last service information of the fleet you already have in the platform. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to show you that I already have my fleet inside of the platform, and if I go into the servicing page, and the platform is gonna point out that there's two assets without last service information. So the goal will be to provide this information and also how we can update the one we already provided to the platform. To start the process, we go into the plant and equipment page, and once we're here, we're gonna export. In the right side is gonna be the button. We're gonna export all the assets information. Now that the download just finished, let's wait for it to open. We are gonna get a CSV document with all the data that we already provided to the platform or has been updated with the pre-start submissions or other type of forms. In this section, almost in the last part of the document, we're gonna find the last servicing date, the last service reading, and the last service type. Here we're gonna find, this is one of the assets that doesn't have last service information. So let's say here that the last service was on December last year. And let's say here the same thing, yeah, doesn't matter. Then we need to also provide the last service reading. Here we just need to provide the number. It doesn't matter if it's hours or kilometers. That's going to be managed inside of the platform. Let's just give a value. Let's say it was at 250 hours, and the last service type, it was also at 250. Here for the Bobcat, let's say it was serviced at 500 hours and the service type was 500. This is in the case we want to provide the last service information of assets that didn't have it, but we can also change the last service information of the assets that are already in the platform. For example, this one says December. Let's gonna change that to January of 2024. And let's say that the last service reading was 765 and the last service time was at 750. Okay. Now we just save it and we just go back to the platform. How we're gonna update that then? We're gonna go into the import button right here. It's gonna appear this pop-up window. Now we click in the middle of the screen, and that's gonna ask us for select the document. So the document is gonna be this one. I just open it into the platform. Here it's gonna ask us for select the header. It's gonna be the first row. We just click on next. We make sure that all the fields are correct. Everything here is correct. Yeah, this is your blank columns, doesn't matter. We just click again on next. And now, if we realize these cells are gonna be like orange, yellow, it's because these assets already exist and they're just gonna be updated in the platform with the new information we just provided of the last service. We click on import. Okay, everything is right. We just close, and now when we go into the servicing page, the icon that used to be next to the assets is no longer there. Now we can see that the last service information is here, 750, 500, and everything is perfect. Thank you.